beautiful, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. Today's video, I want to try out a new brand that I have not tried at all. I seen them in Walmart, so I got really intrigued and I was like, hey, let's try them out. So I discovered Lottie at Walmart. I feel like I'm saying it wrong, but this is it. And I grabbed the setting powder, the foundation, the concealer, and I already have my eyeshadow on, but I will be trying out this in another video. This is our eyeshadow palette. So I thought it'd be really fun to play around with some new products and give you guys my first impressions on them. Let's just go straight in. This is the Lottie foundation, a velvet skin tint foundation. I did grab the shade Tan. I do want to try this new primer as well that was sent to me. This is a NYX Plump Right Back with Electric Lights Plumping Serum Primer. So I think that'd be pretty interesting to try this as well. I'll do half of the primer, the new primer, and then half of a primer that I love. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Oh, that smells good. Oh, that smells like a perfume I like. Oh, that smells really nice. Okay, I'm gonna go in with it on this side. Feels really nice and feels like tacky. Yep, it's getting tacky. And I'm just gonna go in with my e.l.f. moisturizer on this side. I like using this one as a primer, so I'm gonna use it on this side. So half I will use something that I already love, and then we're trying out the new primer on this side. All right, so let's go in with this. I'm just going to shake it up very well. Oh, I think I shook it up too good. Look at that. Okay. Oh, that's pretty tan, but that's okay. We will work with it. So I'm gonna go in with my Patrick sponge and I'm just going to just bounce this in. So this is pretty deceiving. I thought for sure it was going to be this shade because of the packaging, but it's very orange. It's very orange. I really wish that they would either have like a picture or something when they have foundations that are in packages like this so that we can see like, okay, will it match me or not? Because I'm gonna bring it all the way down to my neck, which we do anyways, but you know. So far though, coverage is really nice. Really nice, and it seems like it's drying down to like a very nice finish. You can still see like my blemish right there. I freaked myself out so bad that I made a blemish appear overnight. What a super nice magic trick. It's crazy what our body can do, huh? I'm going to add a little bit more coverage right there. And I'm just gonna over. So here is this side. Foundation. No foundation. Foundation. No foundation. Coverage is really nice. I feel like it's really, really nice. And it's like a tint. It does say that it's a tint foundation, a velvet skin tint foundation, and it definitely does feel like velvety, which looks really freaking nice. The match wasn't perfect, but we're working with what we got. I do want to see how it does apply with a brush. And I'm just going to just move this around with a brush. This is the LA Girl brush. I know it looks super orange, you guys, but we're gonna work with what we got. I think I'd be the shade down. And then we're gonna fix it too with my concealer. The brush, it applies really, really well. I feel like the coverage is a lot nicer with the brush versus the sponge. See? Look at that. Very nice. Now I want to go in with the Lottie Get It Covered Vitamin E, enriched with vitamin E, and this is Dulce. Here it is. Here's the applicator, which looks really freaking nice. I hate that we have to ruin it. Oh, this is like my exact skin tone. Ooh, okay. Like it's like my exact skin tone. Mira, that is freaking nice. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the sponge. Everything looks very nice so far. Okay, I'm all excited. But yeah, it looks freaking nice. Okay, I definitely did brighten up underneath. I like how that looks. It looks nice, like it looks good. Can I go over with a sponge? I mean a brush, just to make sure everything's like melted and blended in. And there's no harsh lines or anything like that, even though we did use a sponge. I like to go over with a brush sometimes. That looks good, you guys. That looks really good. I'm like really excited. Now this is a Ready Set Go setting powder. This is in the shade Warm Translucent. Like even though the shade is the same, does it match me? I feel like it's a little bit too orange, but y'all let me know. So the line's like very inexpensive for like this coverage. Like, are you serious? Okay. Let me see up close. Like, I'm not mad at it. Like, I really am not. Like, it looks freaking good. Okay, hold on. I hope I like the powder because it's gonna be so cool, like a full face. Oof, okay. Oh, dang. I'm going with the tip. Dust off any. Go right underneath. Just going to just set right here. Just like that. Like the foundation already set like to a velvet finish, so I don't really need to set it. Like you feel like you don't have to. I'm going with the brush and just kind of just work that around. So the powder did set. To be honest, first impression, I'm not like, oh my god, you know, but it did its thing. Next thing I did want to try out, this is the Sun Catcher coconut scented bronzer, and I did get the shade Sun Catcher. Going with this shade. Looks like it's going to be a really nice shade. Dang, you can already see it right there. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be nice. That's like really pretty. I really like how that laid on the skin. And it's like really easy to blend it. Very freaking pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with a blush. I'm gonna go in with a ColourPop new blush. This is the pressed powder blush and Forever Yours. Oh, look how pretty that is. That is so freaking gorgeous. I love that it's a peach blush. Hell yeah. This is applying beautifully. Here is how the foundation is looking so far. I'm really loving it, you guys. I'm currently filming a story time right now. It is, right now, it is 6:59. Hold on, let me do a big screen. It is currently 6:59, almost 7 o'clock in the morning, and my skin looks so freaking good, you guys. Like, so nice. Here is everything up close. Foundation looks so freaking good. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated on how everything looks. So this is how it looks so far. 7:01 in the morning. So I'll check back in. Ooh, I didn't set my face. I don't think I needed to. So I didn't set my face. I was like contemplating on it, but I'm not going to. Just to see how it wears. Just how it wears throughout the day, so stay tuned. It's currently 10:06. It is late. I've had this foundation on since like 6 in the morning. Long overdue. It looks good, but I look oily. Like you can definitely see that there's oil. I did not set my face with any setting spray just because I wanted to see like how well it lasted. Just turning off the light. How well it lasted. We did do one side prime and one side we didn't. I don't see a difference with one side being primed versus the other side not being primed. I do have some foundation missing around my nose, but that's normal because of mask, rubbing the nose, all of that good stuff. But I think it held up pretty well, you guys. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can see. Here is an up close. I know, I have combination skin, so the oil is screaming. Look at that. You can make some tamales off my face. But look at that. Grease here. But overall, it still looks pretty good. Right here, I have a little patch missing because like I took a nap. Pero it looks good, you guys. Like it doesn't look bad. Like if I were to blot, it'd go away. Let me just show you how it would look if I blotted. Go in with a blotting sheet. I will link them down below. But I have a lot of oil. It's going to be taken care of with this. It doesn't disrupt the makeup or anything. It doesn't remove the makeup as I'm blotting. It just removes the excess oil on my face and gives me that really nice matte finish. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looked before and then how it looks now. Completely different, and it looks good. I was really impressed with it. I really did not think it was going to look as nice as it did. I think I can go down a shade just because when I first applied it, it made me look very orange. But once I put on the concealer and all of that, I feel like it kind of evened it out and made it look really, really nice. Like it doesn't look bad. Concealer, I think it wore pretty freaking nicely. So I definitely recommend. You will get oily if you have combination skin. I would not recommend it if you are oily skin, but if you're normal to dry, I think you will absolutely love this. And yeah. So those are all my thoughts and opinions. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys want me to try next. I did pick up the cookies and cream collection. I finally seen it at my freaking Walmart. So that will be my next video. Let me know if this is something that you guys want me to review. If you guys are excited about it, let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Te quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.